Hello everyone, welcome to my Arduino workshop. So today I would like to share you this. Um
I call it the temperature controlled LED display alarm and a cooler. So how to make this?
First, you need an Arduino mainboard and the connection cable to the computer. Next, you need a breadboard to adapt all the elements on it. For example, the TMP36 analog temperature sensor to convert the current temperature into currents.
And 3 LEDs to display different temperature levels. A buzzer to sound the alarm. And a DC motor to make a small fan when the temperature is too high to cool it. So now let's begin how to install it. First, you should connect the 5 volt pin and the ground pin to the breadboard's positive and negative port. Then you just put the elements on it. It looks simple, right? And the temperature sensor, yeah, just here. Cool. And next we put the registers on it. So let's connect the buzzer and finally the motor. Cool. And let's connect now. First, remember the long one on the LED is the positive. The short one is the negative. So we should connect the positive one to the port on Arduino mainboard. For the positive one, we've already connected from here to the resistor to the negative one, and it automatically flows to the ground. The next is this to here and this to here. For this one, this is the power line, so you should connect this to the positive line, and this ground to the negative ground one. The same row with it. This is the signal line. So this temperature is using the analog signal, so we should connect it to analog port, for example A5. And for this one, the longer one is the positive one, so we should connect it to the port on the main board. For the negative one, we just connect it to the negative row. And for this one, we connect it to this port, and negative one to this port. Okay, cool. So now we have successfully connected all the elements on it. So let's start coding. You can see this. Oh. So first, let's have a try. Remember, which port did we use? 2, 3, 4, 7, and 8, and A5. So first, if the temperature, let's create a variable. For example, T is temperature. And put T, set T as the input. Read the temperature from A5 as Celsius. So next, let's use control. If. So if, for example, T is less than 40 degrees Celsius. 40 less than 40, and then let's output the blue line. So the blue light will be on. So this is from port 2, pin 2. So for other things, we should set them as low. So for the 3 and 4, 3, 4, 7, 8. That's low. And only 2 is high because we just want the blue light on. Else, that means the temperature is more than 40 degrees Celsius, right? So we just use another control with another if statement because we should restrict the temperature from 40 to 60 to let the second yellow light on with the buzzer sound and in one way, and for the temperature more than 60 degrees Celsius we make the red light on with the buzzer sound in another way while the motor is running to cool the environment. Else, if temperature, let's just duplicate this one, the temperature is less than 60. So let's duplicate this. So now 2 will be low, 4 will be low, 7, 8 will be low, 7 will be high, 3 will be high. So now, if the temperature is between 40 and 60, I want the buzzer to sound like beep, beep, beep. So how to make that? Just we hold for a second, and then we turn it off. And hold one more second. Cool. Oh, there are some problems on this. And the yellow light is from port 3, so this should be on. Now it's high. I can put this way. And finally, if the temperature is greater than 60 degrees Celsius, I want the red light, which is from port 4, on with the buzzer sounds like beep, and the DC motor runs. So it should be like this. So now 3 low, 4 low, yeah. 2 should be low, and 1 should be high. 7 should be high, 8 should be high. So if I just put 7 is high, so this one will sound all the time. So now let's have a try. So now the temperature is 25 degrees. So the blue light is on. Then, oh cool. So now I change it to 44 degrees. So now you can see the blue light is off. The yellow light is on. Listen. The buzzer is running. 1 second on, 1 second off. 1 second on, 1 second off. However, the DC motor or the fan is not running. And next, make it hotter again. Now it's 65 degrees Celsius. The red light is on. And listen, the buzzer is sound all the time. And see here, the DC motor is running too. Okay, so now let's have a try to upload this code to here from the connection cable. So now let's connect it to the laptop. Good. So now we've already done. The temperature now is less than 40 degrees. But listen, now the temperature is between 40 degrees and 60 degrees. The yellow light is on.